Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to take the handles out of the newer GM trucks. So this is a GMC Sierra. It's the same thing on a newer model GMC, well not, yeah, GMCs, the Yukons, the Chevy Silverados, Tahoe, Suburbans, Trax, Cadillac Escalades, a couple more. So really you have to get this handle out before you get this handle out. So get this handle out. It torques 20 or 25, they both work. Put it in the little hole. You open up this grommet, you take this grommet off, you'll see it. You loosen it up, you get a feel for when it's loose enough. Do that. Pry this open. Get this off. Now you have to tighten it back up. Once you tighten it back up, pull the handle out. Loosen it. Pull it out. So sometimes if you see this button, that means it has a wire to it. To get the wire off, you just have to get the trim panel off. And you really can't see it because the window is down, but there's a little clip that this wire goes into down there. You have to pull a little red tab off, which is the locking mechanism for it, and then push it down and pull it out. You'll get it, but that's how you take handle off of one of these. Another thing, the most important thing is once you loosen it up, once you pull the handle and loosen it up to take the actual handle out, make sure, please make sure that you tighten that screw back up before you close the door, because there's a mechanism in here that slides back and forth that allows you to take the handle out and put the handle in and locks this lock cylinder in place. So if you don't screw that back in, it's going to stay out, and you're going to be shit out of luck if you don't tighten that back up after you pull your handle out. So
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change. The ones who thought was your right hand, and them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.